What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Technical Sundays. As you guys know, I'm Odin, and for Technical Sundays, what I normally do is just break down a few pairs that I'm looking to trade for the upcoming week, and also give you guys a little pep talk, whether it's forex related or just life in general. So pretty much like a little motivational talk. But for this week, what I want to talk about is what is forex. I mean, that's the main questions that persons ask when they come to my page. What is forex? How can I profit from forex? How does forex thing work? You can teach me forex. So guys, forex is pretty much just exchanging of currencies, right? I don't know if you guys ever been to the Cambio or I don't know if you guys ever been to the Cambio and you see FX trading mark on the Cambio. So it's pretty much forex trading. So it's something that you indulge in a day-to-day basis, but most of you guys don't know that it's forex. So once it have to do with exchanging of currency or currencies, it's pretty much forex. So when you go to the Cambio, you exchange one currency for another. So it's pretty much the same thing that we do, it's just that we do it online. So a practical example is this. Let's say you're planning to travel from Jamaica to America. Naturally, you have to convert from Jamaican to US, right? So let's say you change out 200. So you change out 200 Jamaican to US dollar. And when you were changing it out, the rate was, say, 120. Right? So at the moment, the rate is 120. You travel to America to visit a family, a friend, or just to do some shopping, whatever the reason is. So you travel to America. When you're in America, let's say a family member or a friend, boyfriend, girlfriend treat you. So you didn't actually use the $200. However, when you come back to Jamaica, you notice that the rate, it fluctuates. So it changed from 120 and it's now at 130. So pretty much what happened is that it gain, right? So you buy it for 120 and now it's at 130. So you pretty much, if you exchange it back out, you can get pretty much make $10 of each dollar. So it's kind of similar to stocks in a sense that, because I know most of you guys know about stock, where you buy a stock and you wait over time and the stock go up and you make money. So forex is kind of similar. You buy a currency versus another currency, and over time, if it gain, you pretty much make money. However, with forex, you can also sell and make money. So in terms of making money though, what we pretty much do is like we have an account. So let's say we have an account. We're pretty much in the live market, so in the global market. So because forex is a global market. What we do is we trade based on broker. So we have a broker where we upload the money to the broker, and then from there we trade. Right? Open a trading account and we trade. So what you do is like you have a specific amount of money in your account, and you pretty much risk a portion of that money to pretty much say a currency is going to gain versus another or lose value versus another. And the amount of money you pretty much make have to do with the amount of risk that you put on that specific trade. That's pretty much what forex trading is, right? So it's pretty much just buying and selling currencies online. Hope that little talk pretty much explains the questions that I've been getting in terms of what is forex and how you can profit from forex. So as you guys know, we have to break down a few charts, so let's head over to the charts. Alright guys, so for this week I'm going to be looking at GBP USD, GBP JPY, Euro New Zealand, and of course Euro USD. And you guys know I normally use DXY to trade Euro USD. So you know, if DXY is going up, that means Euro USD is going down, and vice versa. So I'm going to be looking at DXY first. And I don't know if you guys followed Technical Sundays last week, but DXY did really good. And of course, you know that naturally we're going to be milking Euro USD. So made a lot of money from USD last week, so let's look at it. I know that the persons in the signals group must be smiling last week as usual. So for DXY, this is what we predicted last week for DXY. So this was my analysis. Alright. So I predicted that DXY was gonna fall from here last week. So to all the way down to the end of this gap right here. This gap. So this was the prediction for last week. Stop loss was like around here. So what really happened was that DXY actually pushed down and we actually buy Euro USD and make some money from it. However, it turned back against us. So I'm pretty much still anticipating that DXY is going to go down, but it's not as solid, to be honest. It's not as solid as last week. So let me go down to a smaller time frame to see if I can see something. So what we can do is we can connect our ascending trend line like that, and of course we have our descending trend line. So for now we can't be thinking about short. However, if the market managed to break back below this trend line and this trend line, then we can go short. So if the market managed to break back below, retest, then we can go short. But for now, my bias, to be honest, is to the upside. So however, let me make this clear. However, I'm not gonna be going short on USD. Why? Because I'm still anticipating that the market is gonna fill these gaps. So this gap right here, I'm still anticipating that the market is gonna fill the gap. So I'm not gonna go against that. So for now, I'm just gonna watch. The only way I'm gonna trade this is if the market break below, retest, and then I look to go long on Euro USD. So that's pretty much what I'm seeing for DXY. So DXY did really good last week. Hopefully it give us a setup for this week. So I'm not really gonna look much on Euro USD because stated earlier I use DXY to trade Euro USD. Still anticipating that DXY is gonna go down to fill the gap, so I'm still looking for long positions on Euro USD. But for now, let's wait. So the next one I'm going to be looking at is Euro New Zealand. So this is what I'm seeing for Euro New Zealand. So let's zoom out, because you guys know we normally trade from the bigger time frame. So you can see that we have a nice descending trend line there, and we also have this right here. What I can also do is I can also draw this ascending trend line. So personally for me, I like to see when the market break out of a level and then pull back to that level or push back through that level. Meaning in this case, the market break out, I want to see the market pull back down. So pretty much give us a fake break. And then I look for the market to retest and then drop. So that is what I'm pretty much looking for Euro New Zealand. However, for now it look like a long. So it look like it's gonna go up, but personally, if the market break back to the downside, retested, I'm short. This would be a perfect short opportunity for the market to come all the way down to at least this level. So that is pretty much what I want to see for Euro New Zealand. So I would have gone short here, and my target is all the way down here. So what I want to see is pretty much that the market fake break, right? But for now, personally, break, retest for the market to go up. But for me to enter this pair, I want to see it break back to the downside, retest, and then I go short. So as you guys know, we have to wait on confirmation. So let's just wait. It's Sunday, moving on to Monday. The market is kind of slow on those days, so let's not rush into things. So the final ones that I'm going to be looking at is GJ and GU. These two pretty much, the setups look kind of similar. So for GJ, market is in a downtrend. Let me zoom. We had a strong level right here where the market break through. So personally what I'm looking for is for the market to retest, pretty much just retest this level right here. Let me zoom out. Retest this, resistance level, and then pretty much I look for rejection to the upside, and then I would have gone short all the way down to this level. If I zoom out, I can show you the level right here, the strong support level. So GJ is kind of pretty simple, so that's pretty much what I'm looking for GJ. And for GU, it's pretty much the same, right? Where there was a strong level right here where the market breaks. So let me zoom. So there was a strong level here that the market break, right? So pretty much I'm just waiting for the market to retest, and then I look to go short. So once I get rejection to the upside from this point, I'm gonna go short. If we draw our descending trend line, you can also look for the market to bounce off this descending trend line here. And in terms of target, my target is gonna be at least right here, or right here is better. This level right here. So that would be my target. So for now, I'm pretty much waiting for the market to retest, and then I'm gonna go short if I get confirmation to the downside. These are pretty much what I'm looking to trade for now. The market is not presenting any strong opportunities for now, so we have to just pretty much wait for the market to firm up, right? So we can wait until maybe Tuesday before we place a trade. At the end of the day, you guys know it's not about quantity, it's about quality. So we have to wait for quality setups before we enter the market. We work hard for our money, so we cannot give it away on stupid trades. Guys, so these are pretty much the pairs that I'm looking to trade for this week. So as you guys know, I normally do technical Sundays every Sunday. So tune in next Sunday for another technical Sundays. Peace.